Okay, people want everybody be aware of this right here. Here it is, right here. It's a dog grooming. Right here. It's for pets, animal hair grooming, electrical trimmer set. It's a kit now. Get it? It's a kit. But when it comes to you, the battery does not recharge. Look at the lady's name right there. That's the lady's name. I contacted her about 8 times. I bought 2 sets of these. I didn't know about the battery. Bought 2 sets. She lied to me. She's deceiving me and everything else. Do not buy from this lady on eBay. She's a Chinese lady, and she will lie to you about the set. It's not a kit because the battery does not work. It's not rechargeable. You had to buy a rechargeable battery, which is going to cost you probably about $16 to $18 for the battery. You're losing money. Don't buy it.